Hi, this is Snatch with Booredatwork.com, and today we have the Samsung Galaxy S4 Active on the AT&T network. Now the Active is in a waterproof and dustproof body, so this is a more robust Samsung Galaxy S4. So let's open this up and take a look at what we've got in here. Now you can see our Galaxy S4 right here. Now this has a 1080p Amoled screen versus the 1080p LCD display that comes on a normal Samsung Galaxy S4, as well as the camera on here is an 8 megapixel versus the 13 megapixel that comes on most Samsung Galaxy S4s. Still comes with the same 1.9 gigahertz quad-core processor, 2600 milliamp battery, 2 gigabytes of RAM, plus 16 gigs of storage. Let's see what else we have in the box here. We happen to have our instruction books and charger. So why don't we boot this up and give it a go.